Commerce Lecture Online Introduction to Accounting. How to record a journal entry. Analysis of a transaction. Transaction number 2. Date is June 6. Owner purchased equipment costing rupees 30,000. Let's see how to record this transaction in journal entry form. Let's analyze the two accounts involved in this transaction. Owner is purchasing equipment, therefore one account involved is equipment. Owner is making payment in the cash form, the other account involved is in the cash form. Let's see the nature of account. Cash by nature is asset. Equipment by nature is asset. Let's see its impact. Cash is paid from the business, therefore cash is decreasing. Equipment is an asset and due to purchase, the asset is increasing. Let's see its impact on journal according to rules of debit and credit. Increase in asset debit the account, but here the asset is decreasing, therefore it will credit the account. One asset is increasing and the other asset is decreasing. The asset which is decreasing according to rule will be recorded in the credit side. The asset which is increasing according to rule will be recorded in the debit side. Therefore, in journal, we will record the entry as equipment debit 30,000, cash credit 30,000. Narration is purchased equipment for cash. Date will be written in the column of date. Name of company, journal as specimen will be properly prepared. Rules of debit and credit are always focused while recording entries. Like, share, subscribe, Commerce Lecture on